Hello everyone! Today we're making my favorite chocolate chip cookies. Soft, chewy, and full of chocolate chips. So let's get started. We're gonna start by combining melted butter with white and brown sugar. Whisk them together until smooth and glossy. Now add the egg and vanilla. And mix until everything's well combined. Next, add the dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, and salt. I also added the baking powder. Here I over add the baking powder, so only add a half teaspoon. It's gonna be enough. And mix gently. Don't overmix, just until the dough comes together. Then fold in your chocolate chips, and this is my best part. Now scoop the dough onto a baking tray. Chill it a bit for 15 to 30 minutes, then bake until the edges are golden and the center stays soft. And there you go, crispy on the outside, soft and gooey inside. Just perfect. If you love cookies, you have to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and see you in another video.